Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about how quickly you can set up the store and how quickly you can launch the store. So let's discuss all the points one by one. So first of all, how to set up store quickly. So there are two options. Either you can go with the training or set up services. So in training, we are providing you this training handbook where you can see all including in index. There are the training steps and there are training booklet. This training booklet is fully loaded with the videos, with the reference links and with the FAQ links. Along with it, we are giving you the product exercises as well, so which will sharp your skills to add products in OnPrintShop. Also, if you need any queries or concerns, you can schedule a session with account manager that will be regarding the queries only, what you are doing in the exercise. So this is the first part. Second part is we are providing cost effective support packages. You can opt for those support packages and our team will quickly add your products, contents and a template and graphic related works. So these are the two options to quickly set up the store. Now moving ahead, there is a checklist. So let's say if you want to launch the website, so what things are required or what checklist you want to check. We have already created a checklist. You can see this checklist over here. This is our help portal. You can bookmark it, help.onprintshop.com. Then if you go inside the third party integrations, here you can see website launch checklist. So you just need to click on website. So you can see domain and SSL. Let's say you have parked the domain, you have purchased the SSL or not. Then website master configuration. What are the most necessary things? Let's say payment method should be required, shipping method required, then text settings, site settings, then social media. So you can just go through with this checklist before launch. Okay, all these things are done or not. So you will be very clear like what are the standard content pages and why it's required. Let's say about us, contact us, terms and condition, privacy policy. So all these things you just need to set up before launching it. So this is a checklist which we would recommend. You can see it on very first day and you can go ahead with that. Moving ahead with next point, that is the third one, decide phase wise launch date. It seems like deciding a date, but it's really important. Let's say if you have purchased solution today and you are taking target of like you will launch it within 30 days. So what you will do, you will do immediate actions on it. You will communicate immediately. And if you are having a launch date, instead of launch date, we can say it a soft launch date or phase wise launch. Let's say you are supposing, okay, right now, let's say we have many of clients who wants to launch once it will be completely ready, but we have such clients as well. They have launched a basic setup. Let's say basic setup, what does we mean it? Let's say they are having 5 products only and they have just done the basic setups, like all the checklist. According to the checklist, they just created 5 products. They are not worried about the website look and feel too much. Like they have set up the look and feel, but not that much. But generally they just live with the basic setup, very few products and everything, and they started getting business. Like, so what they did actually in that way, you can just need to decide a soft launch date. Generally we recommend you can decide once you get your store and you can ask yourself like within 30 days I have to launch this store and we will help you for that. So once you will decide the launch date, it will really helpful to go live as quickly. Then the fourth one is add existing customer database. Why we are recommending here, let's say if you are already having a customer database and customers are coming on your store continuously, so if you have a database, you can very easily import in our system. Let's say if I just show you how quickly you can add those customers, let me just log in into the admin. So why I'm showing you this, because it's really easy. You don't need to do anything, just go in customer. Let's say if you are already having the customer database, you just need to click on import button. There are only 3 steps. You just need to click on download file. The step 1, the file Excel sheet will be downloaded. Here you just need to put the basic detail of the customers. Okay, there is one thing which you need to be taken care of, country. When you are keeping the country, instead of country name, you just need to put the country code. You will get all the details under the second option, fill up data and help, like which things you can mandatory, that is the required things in yes, red line, otherwise you can left those fields blank. Then the country code, you will get it from here. Let's say if it's a USA, so you can search it United States and country code is 223. For Great Britain or United Kingdom, it will be 222. Other details you can find it here. In the third option, you just need to upload you whatever Excel sheet you have, whatever database you have created, just click on import button. Once you will click on import button, all your customers will be registered in your website. So whenever next time they come in your office, you can ask them like you don't need to come over here, you can directly place orders from your store and you are start getting business over the website. So you are converting your offline customers to the online. So this is the very basic fundamental thing. Then moving ahead, the fifth point, take feedback and consistent update. So as I have shared with you in the point number 3, like decide phase wise launch date. So right now you have just launched it as a basic with the very basic things. But now what you can do, let's say if your customers are starting ordering, and what you can do, you can ask them to provide feedback, like what things they need, what kind of products. So you can slowly you can update the website according to them. So it will be user friendly and it will be like process, and your customers are giving you consistent feedback and you are working on that. Then number 6 is use it let's say you are just launched the website, but even though you are getting regularly orders offline, let's say customers are calling you or they are emailing you or they are coming to your store. So what you can do, we have a complete order management system. So what you can do, instead of customer, you can place the order on behalf of customer from the admin side, which is very easy. I just show you the path. If you go in orders and just click on add new orders, so as quickly you can place the orders of customer. Let's say any of customer has placed your order, you can just select the customer name. That's it. If the customer is not added, you can click on add customer. In the next step, you just need to choose the products and all the details, and in the third step, you just need to select payment and shipping. So next time if customer repeat the same order, you don't need to do anything. You just need to go under the orders, because you have already added the orders. There are reorder buttons which we are giving over here, reorder. So it's a one time effort, will easier your life, and you can use it as a complete order management tool. All your orders will be in the system. The customer can track all the orders easily. It will make your life very easy. Then moving ahead with the point number 6, use it as a sales tool. Let's say if you are done with the above 6 points, definitely your orders are like, if you will work on SEO or do some marketing kind of stuff, then slowly you can start getting business as a sales tool. So it will become your sales tool. So there are very basic things which you need to follow. If you will follow it, you can quickly set up the store, and very quickly you can launch it to the customer, and as early as you will do, you will start getting business through it. If you have any concern, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.